Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by enabling the sharing feature on both devices. Quick share on compatible Android or Airdrop on iPhone. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active so devices can discover each other. This is how peers negotiate a direct transfer. Once done, open the file or photo you want to send, tap Share, and pick Quick Share or Airdrop from the share sheet. You do this now because discovery must precede the actual file handshake that follows. After selecting Quick Share or Airdrop, the system scans and shows nearby device tiles. You should choose the correct recipient by name and device icon to avoid sending to the wrong person. Once selected, the sender initiates a secure transfer, and the receiver will see a preview or incoming prompt. This confirms the file type and size. Make sure to communicate with the recipient so they accept immediately. Delays can time out the pairing, so prompt acceptance keeps the process smooth. You finish by watching the transfer progress. When complete, confirm the item is in the expected app such as Photos or Files. If it doesn't arrive, first make sure both devices stayed awake and within range, then toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi or briefly restart the sending and receiving devices. This clears transient discovery issues. If problems persist, check visibility settings, contacts only versus everyone, or switch to a wired transfer. That gives you a reliable fallback while you diagnose.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.